Use the best code ILBET on Rainbet during registration. Rainbet now offers huge rewards, bonus chests return from the house edge, with daily, weekly, and monthly bonuses, as well as rakeback. You can also earn free chest keys as you wager. Each key matches your current rank. For example, with a bronze chest, you can get up to $250, while a diamond rewards case can give you up to $20,000. If you don't have an account on Rainbet, visit the website and click Register. Fill in the required information, then select Referral Code and enter ILBET. If you already have an account, click Wallet at the top, then select Redeem an Affiliate Code. Enter the code ILBET and click Redeem Affiliate Code. That's it. We've covered all the ways to activate the promo code.